Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home, isn't it? Yes. So in today's ICT class, what lesson we are learning? Lesson 7, Fun with Text Processing. Okay. So in previous class, we have seen about alignment, isn't it? So in today's class, we are going to see about another formatting options, how to change font color, how to highlight the text, superscript, subscript, format painting. Okay, let us move to today's class, children.
Okay students, so in Fun with Text Processing lesson, we have seen many formatting options, isn't it? So today also we are going to see 4 formatting options, okay? So we already know how to increase the font size and how to change the font style, everything, okay? Today we are going to see how to change the font color, okay? So first step, select the text with the mouse by dragging the mouse over the text. Select the color option with the mouse from the toolbar. That is the second step. Okay. First you have to select the text and then you have to select the color option. Okay. So for LibreOffice and then Microsoft Office, they have given the options. Okay. So option to set the color of the font is given here. Okay. So in Microsoft Office Word, so it is looks like here. Okay. To change the font color. Okay, next one we are going to see how to highlight the text. Okay, if you are going to type a document, if you want to highlight any word, you can use this option. Okay, first one, you have to select the text, it is common. Okay, next you have to click icon highlight. Okay, select the color of the highlight. So default it will be in yellow color. If you want to change it in another color, you can select that color too. Okay, next one, you can able to see here in Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so to highlight the text, okay, this icon. Next one, how to change in superscript and then subscript. Okay, if you want to write first, second and third, you can use superscript and subscript options. Okay, here you can able to see that icon. If you first you have to type and then you have to select that option, you can change it. Okay, so next one, formatting options. So here we are going to see the format painter option. Okay, so it is also same. So for example, in a line you are using a bold, okay, and then you are using some formatting options. If you want to continue with the same in some other area of the document, you can just select the text from where format needs to copy it. Okay, and then you have to click the format painter icon, and finally you have to move the brush over the text which you want to format. Okay, so it will be in brush type. Okay, first you have to select it and then you have to click on format painter, and where you want to need that one you can paste there. Okay, move there. Okay, so next we are going to see the vocabulary words. First one, font color, FONT, font color, COLOUR, and then second one, change, CHANGE, and then third one, highlight, 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 and then fourth one, superscript, SUPER, superscript, SCRIPT, script, and then subscript, SUBSCRIPT, script. Then format painter, FORMAT, format painter, PAINTER. Okay, format painter. Next you have activity, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, 5 statements are given, so read it and write whether it is true or false. First question, we use regular font to highlight a word. Next one, larger fonts catch readers attention. Third one, do not use too much of bold, italics and underline at several places in your document. Next one, justified makes the text align to left. And finally, header appears at the bottom of the page. Next one, you have to match the words second column to the names of formats in the first. Okay, so bold, italic, underline, superscript, you have to match with their formats. Okay children, do it in your book. Okay,
Yes, children. So in today's class, we have seen how to change font color, how to highlight the text, and then how to use superscript and subscript, and how to use format painter. I hope you all understand the concept well. Thank you, students.